going on? You doing alright? Good, good. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and take over from here. Let me let you do your thing, and... Okay. Well, I'll see you later. You have a good one. Bye-bye. This is a lonely building during the night. The windows stretch from the top floor to the bottom floor. As I walk through the building, the first thing I do is sign into the log. When I'm done signing into the log, I take the stairs up to the top floor. What I am doing is checking to ensure that the doors are locked on each floor. When I come around doors that aren't locked, I walk the floor. Now, only while I walk the floors do I face the real danger of this immensely tall building. At this point, it's hard for you to understand because I experience things on a daily basis that not many others can imagine. You see things, the fear of darkness. What's inside this office? Who is around that corner? You never know. At one moment, you're walking, and then you see a face on the wall. And you turn to get a better look at it, and then it's gone. Nothing is left but a picture with a pale color of skin. As you walk around corners, a black mass begins to emerge. What is it? You turn to look, and it's nothing more than a jacket hanging on the back of the chair. Finally, in this building, where you do not expect to hear noises, you hear sounds. But what are they? You have nothing else to do but track down the source of that sound. It normally turns out to be just the creaking of the building, just the ventilation, but nothing more. There are so many floors which need to be walked. It goes on and on continuously, and you begin to wonder, when will it end? And at last, you arrive at the first floor where you started, and you think to yourself, wow, that whole sweep of the entire building only took 45 minutes. I still have 7 hours and 15 minutes of my shift left. What am I gonna do?